Okay, here we're going to demonstrate setting up the Lee Classic Cast 50 BMG press, 50 BMG die set, 1¼ inch diameter die set, as opposed to the Hornady press, which is 1.5 inches. It's still a pretty good deal for what you have to pay for it. Has a pretty heavy duty decapping pin, and they work pretty well, other than having to angle the brass in, which I'll demonstrate in a bit. Anyway, to set the die up, you install your shell holder for the 50 BMG, and then you install your die set so it contacts the shell holder right there, and then you want to go an extra 1/4 to 1/2 turn to account for spring back when you're sizing. And you should be able to feel it when it contacts it pretty easily. There's really not that much to it. Okay, let's see. Almost there. Right there. So now I'm going to go in another 1/2 turn and feel it pretty steady. Turn down the lock ring till it's tight, and then we're ready to try to size something. Here's a piece of M2 machine gun brass. I'm going to lube it up. My favorite lube is Hornady Unique. It's inexpensive and works pretty well. You just need to put a little bit on the case, mainly down towards the case head. That's where it usually bulges the most, and then you want to put some in the neck, a little bit around. You don't want to put anything on the shoulder. It can cause lube dents if you get too much on it. But anyway, you get that all lubed up, put it in the shoulder. The shoulder, you have to kind of angle it in because it'll hit the decapping pin. So you just sort of stick that up into the pin and then push it in from the side to get it in there, just like that. And then just run it all the way down, just like that. That's all there is to it. All sized up, all the way to the bottom. Primer's out. And then remove the lube. You can either do a whole bunch of them at once, or just wipe them off when you're done before you prime them. In this case, the primer crimp needs to be removed. You can either do that with a chamfer tool like this, or use some of the tools that are available from KMP that basically do the same thing. You can see it just puts a little bit of a chamfer on there, and then you're ready to reprime it. That's it.